Hello beautiful people of the internet, it is me, Nelly, again with yet another episode of Beauty and Food. So right now we're at a place called Sungai Putat, located in Malacca, and we're gonna try two different dishes today. We're gonna have a dessert, or a beverage rather, called the Malacca Mango Royale, as well as a really famous mee curry. So let's head on in and taste our food. So here is our beautiful mango float Royale Malacca. So usually we would go with the sequence of a meal first, then only a dessert. But because I don't want this beautiful thing to melt, we're gonna try this one first. So they actually have an Instagram page and a Facebook page right here if you guys want to have a better idea of what you're gonna have later on. But before everything melts, I'm gonna go for it. First, I'm just gonna take a sip. Do you mix this? I actually have no idea. I'm just gonna mix it. Immediately, my first sip, I had chunks of mango coming out of the straw. I'm not gonna open my mouth and show it to you because it's probably really gross. But there's pieces of mango inside. Okay. I'm gonna open this up to have a better look. So there's actually ice cream here. Ice cream, mango. There's pieces of mango up here. The mango's sweet. That's great. One thing I hate the most about mango desserts is a lot of mango desserts have very sour mango, and I don't like that. But this is sweet. It's not sour. This is nice. Alright. Honestly, this drink is a little bit sweet. A lot sweet. It's on the sweet side. So if you really like sweet things, this wouldn't be for you. But I think I've said this a million times, I'm a sweet tooth, so this is definitely for me. And if you don't want it to be that sweet, you can always order it without the ice cream. So overall, 8 out of 10. I recommend this place. Do drop by. If you love mangoes like me, you love sweet things like me, this is definitely for you. And well, we'll wait for the mee curry and continue later.